Programming a key fob for your 1999-2003 Toyota Sienna is a simple DIY task that can save you money. This straightforward process avoids costly dealership visits. The process involves synchronizing your remote with the vehicle's immobilizer system using a specific ignition cycle. No special tools are required beyond your key and the fob itself. You'll be teaching the van to recognize your specific key fob signal. Make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery for your key fob. The system uses a rolling code for security, where the fob transmits a unique signal that the vehicle's receiver must learn by cycling the ignition to enter programming mode. First, preparation is key. Have your fob with a new CR2032 battery ready. Now the programming. Step 1. Turn the ignition to on, engine off, 5 times within 10 seconds, ending in the on position. This activates the programming window for about 30 to 60 seconds. Step 2. Immediately press and hold the lock/unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. The system should learn the code, often confirmed by a horn honk or flashing lights. Step 3. Turn the key to off to exit programming mode. Step 4. Test the fob from outside the vehicle. Remember, timing is crucial. If it fails, try disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear existing codes and start again. Up to 4 fobs can be programmed per cycle. If you have an aftermarket alarm system, it can interfere with programming. If problems continue, consider seeking professional help.